Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, it's time for us to have a coffee break. We will make the very trending and the very popular Dalgona Coffee. Are you excited? Let's go! Okay guys, we're done with our coffee break time with the Dalgona Coffee. Earlier, I baked coffee muffins. I put the topping on it for the Dalgona toppings. And also, ta-da! The Dalgona Coffee. For your coffee break, try to make this Dalgona creamy Dalgona Coffee because it's so easy, so quick and easy to make. And also, I would like to shout out to all our frontliners. You deserve a big round of applause. And also, I salute you for all your efforts and dedication to your work. And also to all our essential workers and to all the essential healthcare providers, including myself. So stay strong, everyone, and then pray. And also, I would like to shout out to Claudine Estales. Take care and stay safe, Claudine. And that's it. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you learned something from our creamy Dalgona coffee and also having that coffee muffins with the Dalgona toppings. Okay? That's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel. Bye for now. I love you guys. Stay safe. God bless. Stay strong. God bless you all, and let's all continue to pray. Bye-bye.